explain the due process of law and the equal protection of the law. 1987 Constitution, Article 3, Section 1 stated, "No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the laws." So what is due process? Due process is a guarantee against any arbitrariness on the part of the government, whether committed by the legislator, the executive, or the judiciary. Due process is the legal requirement that the state must respect. It is a legal rights that balances the power of the law and protects the individual person from it. Actually, there are two aspects of due process, which are procedural due process. It is a process which hears before it condemns, and the substantive due process, which is the law is enforced and it is fair and reasonable and it is just. So what is the equal protection of law? It actually signifies that all persons subject to legislation should be treated alike under like circumstances and conditions, both in privileges conferred and liabilities imposed. Meaning to say, the governing body state must treat an individual in the same manner as others in similar condition and circumstances. However, there is a reasonable classification of the law that it may operate only on some and not all of the same people without violating the equal protection clause. For example, the law requiring military service. So it will invalidate the law since it would be very oppressive to those unable to bear arms like the sick and the old people.